Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make Bagels Preppy Kitchen step by step. Preheat your oven and prepare a shallow pot of boiling water with malt or honey for the bagel boil. Combine flour, yeast, salt, and water, then knead until smooth. Let the dough rise until doubled, then divide, shape, and rest. Boil each bagel briefly, top as desired, and bake until golden and chewy. In this video, I will show how to make Bagels Preppy Kitchen step by step. After the first rise, divide the dough into equal pieces and shape them with a firm, tight motion to create a smooth exterior. Rest the shaped bagels briefly to let the gluten relax. This keeps holes open during boiling. When they feel slightly puffy, transfer to the boiling stage to set the crust and texture before baking to a glossy finish. In this video, I will show how to make Bagels Preppy Kitchen step by step. Quick recommendation: those leak-proof containers make meal prep and storing sliced bagels a breeze, keeping everything fresh and tidy, and they stack neatly in a preppy kitchen. If you like this tip, subscribe and hit like to support the channel. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make Bagels Preppy Kitchen step by step. Boil each bagel briefly to set the crust, then transfer to a hot oven for a crisp exterior and chewy interior. Use a sheet or stone for even heat and rotate pans for consistent browning. Keep an eye on color for the perfect golden finish. Let the bagels cool slightly to set the crumb before topping or slicing for service.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.